All right, here we are. This is another new site. I am using a virtual assistant to help develop this site. Now, this happens to be a co-op site. This is where we take different ads and we use all of our resources and we promote it. Okay, people normally with the co-op, what happens is this: people don't have a lot of money to kind of like run their own ads, so they pool their resources together. And this is what this site does. We pool our resources together and we provide advertising to many other sites. Okay, this is what is called a co-op, an ad co-op. Now, this is the admin for the ad co-op, of the VA that is responsible for this particular site. Keep in mind, I am using virtual assistants to assist me. My team consists of about 15 virtual assistants, and we all work together. The admin for this site, well, we call them Saddle. Okay, this is Saddle. Okay, now this banner ad that you see right here, this is part of our banner and text ad network. We have this software that allow us to input the URL for the banner and for our text, and it gives us a code, and we take that code and we paste it into other sites. For instance, so we're on the home page here, okay? So I want to go to the advertising page, okay? There's an ad right there. This comes from our co-op, okay? Same here. This is another ad here. And then contact us as another ad, okay? So this is what this looks like. Okay, now here we are at the bottom of the page. Again, this is the ad network, the banner ad network. Uh, this gives us a brief history. It tells us what this particular site is about. It gives us, the features and how it can help entrepreneurs. And here, this is a listing of all of our other sites. We have a total of 11 sites, and each site has an admin or has a virtual assistant that is responsible for that particular site. Currently, we are studying the richest man in Babylon, okay? We're looking at the different principles of the richest man in Babylon, and we will be applying those principles. Now, we've also studied the works of Dr. Dennis Kimbrough. Now, Dr. Kimbrough, he we all heard the book of Think and Grow Rich, okay? Now, what Dr. Kimbrough did was he began to look at black people that started their own business, and he began to identify the things that they had in common. Okay, just like in Think and Grow Rich, but all of the participants in Dr. Kimbrough's book were all black people. Okay, and he's done an excellent work with this Dr. Dennis Kimbrough. Then, of course, we studied Les Brown, Eric Thomas. How can you forget Eric Thomas, E.T., Coach Payne, Ike Johnson. Ike Johnson has a very interesting story. And then there's Lisa Nichols. Now, Lisa Nichols tells her story when it was just her and her child, and she did not have enough money to buy the basic needs for her child, and she had to improvise. And she began to listen to someone that talks about how you need to start putting money aside. Actually, it talks about this in the Richest Man in Babylon, how you put money aside, and she began to put money aside for her future. And she did this for years and years and years, and then she discovered that she had saved a lot of money over those years, over the years. And her and her son, well, he's grown now, but her and her son began to live like they've never lived before. And she is doing very well financially simply because she began to apply the principles of the richest man in Babylon. Now, success leaves clues. Okay, success leaves clues. It is very important that you work on your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations every day. Do not let a day pass without you working on your dreams, goals, and your aspirations. And in the words of Les Brown, you got to be hungry. You got to be hungry for success. And in the words of Eric Thomas, he said just many, many, many years ago, I can, I will, I must. I can, I will, I must. These are things that you just absolutely have to do. No 0 days. Do not let a day pass without you working on your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations. Y'all take care, and we'll talk later.